So this is a DSers, whatever how you pronounce this, Shopify tutorial. How to use DSers with Shopify. So let's jump right into this video without wasting any second. So now let's create our website, create store, skip all of this. So now you can sign up to DSers through the website. Actually, best AliExpress dropshipping tool for e-commerce. You can click on login here, and now here we just have to wait, and here we have what platform do you want to access. Of course, in our case we want to access Shopify. So here we see Shopify, just click on Shopify, and here we see installed and authorized. And here which the app can access supplies, product information. Some of the information you see here related to what DSers will access. Click now on install. Now this is just installing. And now here we are in the app shopify.com, DSers AliExpress dropshipping. Free plan available for the free trial, and now we can click on log in to install. All right, now we just need to click on install here. So let's click on install. Now here we have login and authorize. I want to show you currently login. Okay, just click on confirm. And here I'll get started with the free plan. Now you can also try 40 days free trial. Start with this trial. If there's some limitations here, and they are of course in the free plan, but if you're looking for something and is available in one of these plans, make sure you select that plan. I'm gonna go with free, and now I'm gonna select link to suppliers and click on login. Okay, and now I logged in. Now I can just go to find suppliers, or just find import some product. Here that's actually the list. Here you'll see all the products you imported, and now if you find something that you like, you click on here, and this on the AliExpress website you can see here add to DSers, and you click on here, and you see here importing. AliExpress product import successful. Now you can also, as you can see, we have all the products here, and you can click on add to import list if you don't want to click on it. And now here in the import list we have this product. We can click on edit products, and we can of course now push to the store from here. Now of course now we can maybe change some of the variants or remove some of the variants and change the description, the images, and then you should push to store if you want to make some changes. Now we also in store we also have here add apps, and you can also from here add apps, but let's click on Shopify App Store, and here we can search for other apps. We can search for DSers, and you can click to install this app. So click on install. Now it's loading. We just have to wait a couple of seconds. And yeah, now I logged in. Make sure you create a DSers account so it works. Other than that, that's what you have to do. Another thing here, quite important here, if you go to find suppliers, and here you can ship from, you have here ship from, click on here, you can choose select China, let's select China, and then here you have sort by default, orders, newest, or price. I'm gonna sort this by newest, and now here I can see the products. I can also enter here the keyword, so I'll write here case, enter. Now here we have cases. I can click on here to add to import list, can also click on here, you see add platform. Now you see here import list. We can also click on supplier optimizer. And this way you can find similar products by uploading an image or entering the product URL. You can click here to watch more, to see more. And now here we have similar products, and we can also search for the same product by using a product link. So let's say we have this link. I'm gonna copy this link, and then I'm gonna paste this link here, and I'm gonna click on search for similar products. And here we have a lot of similar products. You can see click to short by descending, rating. So we have a couple of options. Also we have here select the option, select the country, please select the shipping method, AliExpress selection standard. And here after you decided, we can check which product we want to import, or we can click on here and import all the products and click on push to store. And this is quite easy. Now just push to store, and we're gonna have all these products pushed to our store. We can see here pro store selection, continue selling out of stock. We also we have some preferences, and then we can click on push to store. Yeah, push product specifications, only push products specifications, also push to online store, continue selling when out of stock. We can check or uncheck this. Now we can click on push to store. Now when we head over to AliExpress and we search for a product, case iPhone 15 Pro Max, here we can see if we hover over a product, we have here add to DSers. We can click on similar products, see similar items, whatever, and then we can also see by list from here. So now we can click on push this product to DSers. We can sort by best match order, but that's just in the AliExpress dashboard. But here you have the option to add to DSers and really change some of the stuff here. But usually it's better to work in DSers dashboard. It's not necessarily, but you want to see details, of course, you can head over to the actually product because you have more, you can see more there. This send me to this product. I can click on add to DSers, then I can find similar products. It's quite easy. Now let's go to find supplier. Actually, let's go in the import list. Let's say I only want to import this product. Click on push to store. And also here, as I said, we can change description, but I'm gonna do it in actually the store. You can also split into multiple products. But now let's go continue push to store and push to store. Import actually the product. I'm gonna refresh this page now, this store, and go to products, and here we have the product we just imported. We can click now on the product. We can see the images for this with this product. We can see variants. I can edit variants, color, option values. We have transparent black, fiber, material, which is for which iPhone works, and then transparent product. Also we have the price. We can change everything, but here, yeah, tags. We can add a collection. Now we don't have any collection here. We can add this collection to the home page is selected, but we can add a different collection if we want to. Markets, options here. Now we can change, of course, the brand name, original, made in China. We can delete some of the stuff here. Let's say, you know, we can also use ChatGPT to write a description for us. So what you can do is to use ChatGPT to ask ChatGPT. Actually, I'm gonna do it right now. So I'm gonna write here, please write Shopify this. Now I'm just gonna copy this and enter here, and copy this. Now I can paste this to Shopify and click on enter. And of course now we can recreate and just change, and if you really want to customize this even more, I mean the description, now I can click on copy. Usually if I'm doing this, I will actually try to change, because sometimes when you use ChatGPT, which really annoys me, like it uses a lot of words. I'm not a native speaker, but I can notice that something is not natural, it's not a fluid, if I can call it a fluid text. There's some words that just it sounds like it was made by an AI. But anyways, using AI, you can use it, helps, of course. We can also generate some tags using AI. Now we can go to collection. Let's save. Don't forget to save, of course. And here in collection, let's go in collection. Here we have the option to create a collection. So we're gonna go to create collection. And here we have create collection title. We can enter a title for our collection. Let's say this collection is only for iPhone case, iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's say in this description we can use again ChatGPT. So we can write collection that is about case for iPhone 15 Pro Max. And of course it's important to add an image here, and then here also add some keyword research, some SEO to the title, to the description as well. Now we can enter this here and search and enter. So here's our description. Of course, you know, when you use ChatGPT, make sure you read the description, because, you know, what I did before, just copied, I didn't read it. Of course, it's just for demonstration purposes, but of course, read the description and take more time if you want to. And also, what I think is that description is too long. Okay, so usually people don't even read the entire description. It's boring, you know. So actually, you can use AI again, ChatGPT, to write it for you. So you can say, use simple words and make it short. These are okay. And now we can also some SEO. So for the description above, write ACO. So for the description now, we can use ChatGPT to write some SEO. So SEO for title and description. Okay, for the title we have here, and for description we have description here. Okay, And now we can click on save here. And now we have a collection.